We were using individual 6-inch vices, 2 vices, shifting them as we go. Depending on the job, you always had to move your vise, re-indicate, and just wasn't most efficient way to run jobs in our shop as they are being ran now.
This shop has multiple different parts they run daily, high mix, low volume, and these Jergens 2-station production vices work great in that situation. And it's very easy to swap back and forth with this system.
In this machine, I believe we have around 15 Jergens vices, whereas we would have max on this size table 3 to 4 of our other standard vices. So having the Jergens set up where we can have that option and utilize the whole table, it just allowed us to implement longer run times, run more parts at once, and not have any downtime for our spindles.
So the Jergens vices, they have their ball lock system. So vices come off and go back on, good to go. Setup time has decreased drastically versus other vices.
We can show you right here, it takes you less than 2 minutes to swap a vise out. It's in the same position that you left it in last time. That's what's great about this system. You know exactly where this vise is gonna be, program after program, setup after setup. It just turns efficiency up a notch. We're very on top of being able to transfer jobs from one machine to another. The solution follows the part. Our job is not just to provide a vise. We provide the solution for the vise and how we can move that vise from platform to platform, whether it be a vertical, horizontal, or a 5-axis machine.
How easy it was to incorporate into the shop was very nice for us.
With the vices that we had in here, I just thought this would have been the easiest jump and most efficient jump for CAV Tool, just to dive right into different fixture work holding and having this new capability for us. Utilizing this system, we're able to have 9 hours of runtime right here, loaded up, ready to go from pallet to pallet. That right there, I mean, close the doors at 5:30, this thing's running until midnight. So it's nice.
I mean, Jergens backs everything up from engineering to the solution to the training. That's kind of what Jergens likes to do. We're a solutions provider, not just a component provider. Less strap, more efficiency.